Okay, this is silver. That's the daily of silver. Silver is still not shining in any way, shape or form. It is still looking very miserable here. It is absolutely unable to mount any serious rally above this overhead resistance. You can see I had my line here, critical level, indicated already for quite some time, and silver is simply unable to climb. It's very clear. What happened on Friday, I'll show you here the 60 minutes. What happened on Friday, that it was sent down forcefully, is not adding a lot of bullish. It's difficult to see bullish alternative developing from this structure, although it's not impossible. But this is in itself can be taken as an ABC, which obviously would lead to further lows or retest of the floor here at 13.9. Again, negative development. What we need, and I have repeatedly told you, we need to leave this area in order to have a solid momentum for a bullish move that could last more than just 1 or 2 days. We need completely to leave this area. We need to establish a strong base above 14.9. Once the market can show us that it can establish a base not just above the first line of resistance but also the second, and then you will see already gold moving substantially high, then we could start talking about the movement that has some life in it. Right now it is lifeless. There is not much hope. Continuing to go sideways here has only one message, and that is negative message. It is a pause on the way to much lower prices. Here's the chart of gold, spot gold priced against the US dollars. That is the 4-hour scale, and you can see 2 wave counts here. Please don't get confused. One is going to send it crashing down if it does break under 1187.4, which is the line here. If it does crash badly under that, there is definitely a case here for having left behind a triangle with an A, B, C, D, E. As long as it doesn't crash under this level, it goes sideways, both options are open. We could still talk about an A, B, C, D, and the final leg, E leg. If it stays under this level, just goes sideways, it's quite negative. And it will be very negative if it breaks afterwards the low here. It's almost certainly going to head down spectacularly under 1160. Indeed, the option that could play out as an A, and then this could play out as a B, or a second wave, depends how it shapes up here. This option is still open. That will be taken as an A, B, C, D, E, capped like that. But the key is to see it running impulsively above 1214.7, which is right here. Okay, so both options are still in play. I would suggest you be trading a bit less aggressively than you would like normally. There are here signs that this is still not resolved. My 1, 2 and my B that was here, there were remnants of a previous possible wave count that has now been cancelled by Mr. Market, so we cannot entertain this anymore. The only thing that can still work is the B in this shape. Okay, the B in this shape that might send it higher. So that's it. The situation in gold is calling for a wait and see. It's not going to be a wait and see for months or even weeks. It could be resolved fairly quickly. So we will be on the lookout here.